Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and today we're going to talk about mowing made easy with a mow strip. So if you have a big old backyard with a nice lawn on it, boy, it's great to just get out there and let the dog run like crazy. But you gotta mow it. So what can you do to make that a little easier? You can install a mow strip. A mow strip is just a concrete or paver strip that separates the grass from the planter bed or a wall or anything. And it's really great because you can just run the lawnmower wheels right on top of it. You don't have to do any edging. So the best time to do it, of course, is if you're doing a big backyard remodel and you're pouring some new concrete. Go ahead and form up those concrete mow strips, and they can just pour the concrete right into the mow strip channels at the same time that they are pouring your concrete patio. And what's nice about that is that the concrete then comes out and is the same color, same finish as the rest of the patio. So whenever I'm doing a new backyard with concrete patio, I always like to try and include a concrete mow strip for the lawn as well. And again, the purpose of it is to make it easy for mowing the lawn. You can just run the lawnmower wheels directly on top of the mow strip, and that way you don't have to do any edging, because edging is what takes the fun out of mowing a backyard. You know, when you get the lawnmower going, especially when you have a big lawn like this, and you can just kind of run it in a cool pattern, it just is so much faster to do mowing if you have a mow strip, and that's why they're called that's why it's called a mow strip. It's also really nice for the lawns that have a little curve to them, because you can really do some fun things with that. Now you can also do it with pavers. So if you have a paver patio, just use the same pavers and make a paver mow strip. This was from a job I did in Carlsbad, and it turned out really great. And another one I did in Poway, we actually did some fun curving right off of that. So anyway, mow strips are great for making the lawn a little bit easier to maintain. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to get more of my garden videos. We'll see you next time.